Hey, do you want to learn how to export your data from Notion Mail? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So to export the data from Notion Mail, we're going to first go over to Notion Mail, and on the left-hand side, we're going to find settings, click on it. And then here, we're going to go to account in the account settings. On the right-hand side, you're going to find export your data. You can download a copy of your mail data. We're going to click on a view export. It's going to show up as export first. So I already have done it. So you just need to click on it. It's going to start the export process, and then it's going to show up as exported data. You can click on the links below to export your data, and there's a expire date as well. It gets downloaded in a data.json file. Now you may be wondering, I've got the data, but how do I import it into Notion Mail again? So they currently don't have an option to do that. There's no option here to import your data. All you can do is export the data. I'm sure that they're going to come out with this feature soon, as they are almost updating Notion Mail daily. Now, one thing I would like to share with you is this JSON formatter, the exported data.json file that you get from Notion Mail. You can take this and put it here on this website, drag and drop it, which is going to show you this unformatted data like this. And this looks really messy. You're not able to read it correctly. So what you need to do is click on this process button, and it's going to format that JSON data, and you're going to get a human readable output. This is much better. You can see this. So yeah, once they come out with this import your data feature, you'll be able to use your exported data file. Till then, you can just use the JSON formatter to get this human readable output for your use case. So yeah, that's it. And if you want more Notion Mail tutorials, it's going to show up on the right hand side in a playlist. So go through that and see you there.